Ben from the Off-Road Podcast here, and today I've got something really cool to show you. These are some heat shrink soldering, self-soldering bands. I'll share the link in the description, but what's really cool is you use a heat gun, put your wires together, and heat shrink this, and this little band right here solders them. I need to extend a trailer wire, so I'm going to show you right here. And this one's already shrinking. They've come in their standard sizes here for heat shrink, but I like to pop it through all the way, take it to the other side, and get them all wrapped up here. Run the heat shrink back over. You can I get this little band right here around the main connection. Make sure you get them pushed together there. You whip out your heat gun. And you'll begin to see that little band start to melt. And there you go, soldered up.